For Bowling Green, senior night at the Stroh Center hosting Western Michigan. First half, Daquan Plowden, Isaac flies it, three is good. Falcons up 26-20. In the second half, Max Smith from the same spot hits the three. Western now in front. And Marquise Hastings powering his way to the hope. But the Broncos clutch shooting in the end. Malik McMillan in the corner knocks down the three as Western Michigan wins 78-67, spoiling senior day.
We gotta play better. That's really what it boils down to. It's frustrating for me. It's frustrating for the guys. We want to do it, and now we just have to go out and be able to do it. We got to execute better shot selection. There were so many things that we didn't do well tonight, and they all basically added up. And Western was able to get away from us, and we couldn't come back. But the biggest thing, we got to defend better.